Okay, so I did my eyebrows already, and I'm just going in with this color right here. And we're really not going to do too much to the eyes. Like, we're really going to just do really simple to the eyes because most of the real stuff is going to be at the bottom of our face. I just hit my face. But yeah, we're going to really be focusing on the bottom of our face. I'm just taking my other fluffy brush, and I'm just taking this color right here. Like this pinkish, burgundy-ish color. I'm putting it in my crease also, but I'm moving it towards the inner part of my eye. So, and I'm going in the same with the same brush in this color, this purplish color right here. Get that on my brush, and I'm just gonna tap that all in my crease, kind of not corner but crease. I'm just gonna get that all in there like that. So I really don't want this look to be overpowered by the eyes, but I don't want to leave my eyes naked. Yeah. All right, and with my fluffy brush I had before, I'm going to take this little pinkish, whatever color that is, and mix that with that. Just put that at the top. I'm just taking my LA Pro girls, and we're just going to lightly cut our crease. We're not gonna do too much. I don't even know why I'm cutting my crease, but I just feel like cutting my crease today. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Well, that's drying, kind of. I'm just going to take this color again with the same fluffy brush. Just blend out our corners. For our lips, I don't know why I just did that, but yeah. I'm having a great time right now. We're gonna take this color right here. Mix it. We're gonna take this and this. Yeah, 'cause I want my creases stay pretty late. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do my wing liner and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. I feel like what the heck is Halloween, so I'm just gonna take my white eyeliner from NYX and go under my eyes like this. I don't know what kind of brush this is called, but it's like flat brown like that. I'm going back into my Modern Mattes palette. I'm going back into my Modern Mattes palette again. I'm just going in with this green, and I want to put that under my eyes. Cause it's Halloween, so what the heck. Time for the face, and I'm just taking my Professionals primer by Benefit. It's literally called Professionals, and I always use this primer, so it's the same old, y'all. Nothing really different. While that's setting, I'm just gonna take my mascara by Maybelline. Everything will be in the description box if I don't say the name right or pronounce something wrong. Now it's time for some fun. Okay, so I went to, sorry, my air conditioner just came on, so if you hear like a behind me, it's that. So I got some fun stuff for today. I'm excited. This is gonna be fun. And no, I never did this before, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go in with my foundation first, and this is just Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. This is just to put some color in my face, so I can go ahead and highlight, because I do want to highlight. So yeah, and I'm taking this 41 by 41 brush by Sephora. It has foundation on it. I know, don't try to say anything because I don't care. To highlight, I'm taking my Tarte concealer in Deep, and we're just going to, I really don't want I'm just taking my damp beauty blender. My air transform powder with my powder brush, and I'm just going to set my concealer and the rest of my face. I'm literally just tapping this under my eye. I'm not going to contour just yet. We're going to go ahead and get into this fun stuff. So, let's see. Alright. It kind of smells weird, y'all. Yeah, it stinks. Ooh. I'm just going to take some scissors and cut this into like a round type shape. And of course I would have the thickest tissue in the world. Charmin did not make this to play with my face, okay? They made this. I just want to measure it. They made this. Okay. I used to always split tissue. Why? I don't know. I just felt like made things better if you split your tissue. I don't know. So I don't know where to put this. So I'm gonna just put it on the back of the thing. Oh yeah, it came out a lot. It looks like milk. So yeah. So we're just gonna trying to measure how I want it. Oh! Good. Piece by piece. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this to dry. I shouldn't be talking with it, but I'm just gonna make sure I put a lot right there. I'm just manipulating it a little bit so it could look like that's how it's dry. So like I already cut this one from these two, so I'm gonna cut it in strips. But for these ones, we're gonna roll them up like this, just to make it look like my lip a little bit. So, I'm gonna roll it up, apply some more glue on this little thing. Something's wrong with this glue. Let me shake it out. This is fun. I don't know if y'all having fun watching it, but maybe I shouldn't be talking. It's really sticky. Okay. I don't want it to get in my hair. It dries quick though. I got tissue in my mouth, but I don't want to open my mouth too wide. Okay, so I'm guessing it's a little dry, so we're gonna start putting the makeup on the inside of the wound. I said wound because that's what it's supposed to be. And we're just gonna take this purple right here. This is just a flat, regular smudging brush. I'm putting that in the inside of it, so. Take a little small stippling brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of my foundation just to blend out the inner parts. You know what I mean? I'm just going to get some of this on my hand like I usually do. Oops, got too much. I'm just going to take this little stippling brush, literally tap it in there, and just start tapping this into the white stuff, white paper. Your skin. You can't have your skin just white. You ain't busted the white meat. Taking the same brush that I used for the purple. Okay, open this. I'm just going in with this black. I'm just gonna tap a little bit like into the wound. Cause going into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna be using my other wispy like brush. I'm going into this red right here. I'm really digging in that red because I'm just gonna start putting like hurt red wounded parts around the cut. We're gonna leave our cut looking like oh yeah, she really cut herself. Going back in with my foundation. I'm taking a regular eyeshadow brush for this purple again because I'm going back in here, but I want to add bruising to me. Like I want to add some bruising up here, like my blood. I have blood clots. Like this is how serious it is. Like I have blood clots, and somebody needs to call 911. I just cut myself. I just use my True Complexion for my contour. I don't want to set my face, but I'm about to with this Mario Badescu. Alright. My Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the palette that I tore up, that I no longer don't know why I still use, but it's still on, even though it's broken. Lipstick on. Even though my lips are so dry. This is Vino by MAC. Oh, my lips are so dry. Some of this is Huda Beauty Famous lip matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, and Famous. This is just regular vampire blood. Yeah, this is regular vampire blood. Oh, I love Halloween, y'all. But yeah, I hope this is not too messy because I really don't feel like dealing with a whole bunch of mess. I'm going to use a little sponge they got for this, the sponge with the other stuff I got, and just do it like this. This is so fun! Alright, hold up. It's dripping on me. So you guys, this is the finished look.